Hello, today we are going to solve this numerical. An electric motor is running at 1800 revolution per minute. It comes to rest in 20 seconds. If the angular acceleration is uniform, find the number of revolutions it made before stopping. The angular velocity is given, which is 1800 revolution per minute. This is the initial velocity or initial angular velocity. The final angular velocity omega f will be equal to 0 because the motor will stop. The time is given, it comes to rest in 20 seconds. Number of revolution it makes before stopping, we will determine this value. First we need to convert the units to System International. This revolution per minute, and revolution per minute we know is equal to one revolution is equal to 2 pi radian. One revolution is, let's just start from here and then it complete one revolution and stops here, which is the circumference of the circle, and is equal to 2 pi radian. So one revolution is equal to 2 pi radian. We multiply 1800 revolution or 1800 with 2 pi radian, we will get the required value in radian. And this is minute, so 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Substituting these values and then solving, this 0 will cancel out with this 0, and dividing this 180 multiplied by 2 pi is equal to 3.14, which is also 22 by 7. Multiplying this term, we will get 188.4 radian per second. So this is the angular velocity in radian per second. The final angular velocity will be omega f is equal to 0. The time it takes before stopping is 20 seconds, which is already given here. First we are going to calculate the angular acceleration. The first step is to calculate angular acceleration, and we know that angular acceleration is equal to the change in angular velocity divided by time. The change in angular velocity is omega f minus omega I, which is the final velocity and this is the initial velocity. So substituting the final angular velocity is equal to 0 and the initial angular velocity is 188.4 radian per second divided by 20. This is we will get minus 9.42 radian per second square. So this is the required angular acceleration, and the negative sign here means that the motor slows down uniformly. It is the speed is increasing, then it will be positive, but here we see that the final velocity is 0, mean the speed decrease from 1800 revolution per minute to 0. So this value is negative. Now we know the value of angular acceleration, angular velocity, the time. We will determine the distance it travel in 20 seconds, or the number of or we can say in angular form this is known as theta. So theta is this is second equation of motion, and this equation is in angular form. If this is in linear form, we can say s is equal to vit plus 1 over 2at square, but here we are dealing with theta. So this is equal to omega I times t plus 1 over 2 alpha t square, where theta is the how many time it is going to revolve, it is in radian, and omega I is the initial angular velocity. Time t is given as 20 seconds, and alpha is the angular acceleration which we have determined. Substituting these values, we will have 188.4 radian per second multiplied by 20 seconds, and 1 over 2 minus 9.48 radian per second square is the value of angular acceleration, and again here it is 20 seconds whole square. Solving this, we will get 3768 radian on this side. Second will cancel out with second, and on this side we have second square. Taking square on this would cancel out. We will have minus 1884 radians. Subtracting this value from this, we will get 1884 radians. So this is the value of theta and this theta is given in radian form. Now we need to convert this value of theta from radian to revolution. Now we know that 1 revolution is equal to 2 pi radian, and 1 radian will be equal to 1 revolution divided by 2 pi. So we will substitute the value for radian is equal to 1 over 2 pi revolution in this equation. This is radian. So 1884 multiplied by 1 revolution divided by 2 pi, pi is 3.14, dividing this 1884 by 2 will get 942 divided by 3.14 revolution. Dividing this term by 3.14, we will get 300 revolution. So the number of revolution it makes before stopping is equal to 300 revolution. That's it. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe EasyEdu for more videos.